All right, my friends who are starting GLP. One, watch your email for the shipment to be on its way. Number two, they're going to give you this little pamphlet. Now, I read the instructions on the canister. So there's two products. There's a powder drink and then there's two pills. The two pills you take in the morning with no calories, so just water, and you wait a half hour. After that, you eat whatever you want. You could do whatever you want. Now, the powder drink, the goal is to get to 4 scoops a day. The instructions on the canister say 2 scoops for 1 week and then go to 4 scoops. Personally, that's what I am doing. And I actually, the first day I took it in the morning and I just had a lot of rumblings in my gut, and not that that would happen to you. I've always had certain gut issues. So last night I actually took it at nighttime, and I'm not experiencing that today, but I'm on day 3. So anyway, that's basically, and you just put it in water, about 8 ounces. You can mix it in with other drinks. I did hear someone say that he put it into his protein shake and then he just sipped on it. But what happens, because it is a fiber constitution drink, his protein shake got thicker and thicker. So I feel, for me, it's best to just put 2 scoops in some water, like 6 ounces, gulp it down, and then drink extra water afterwards. That's just how I'm doing it. You need to do what's right for you. But please, 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 the one regret people have had: 1, they didn't take measurements, and 2, they didn't take photos, because you can never go back. In fact, one of the guys who said this was because he goes like, I'm already skinny. What kind of results am I going to have? He's already down 4 notches on his belt buckle. And so he's like, oh, I blew it. So you take pictures of your front side, your back side, your side, your face, whatever body part you want. You don't have to share these, but have them for yourself. And if you feel comfortable sharing them, or even if you feel uncomfortable sharing them, because your story may help someone else have the same results. Because as you know, this isn't just about weight loss or balancing your blood sugar levels or whatever it is. This is about your self-esteem, your self-confidence, your emotional trauma you have had your entire life, or the last few years after you've gone through the women changes of menopause, and you have this gut, and then you love your body, but you don't love it. And that's what this is more about than anything else, is just feeling good, being there for your kids, being there for your spouse, being there for your grandkids, being there for your job, being there, being present in life, living the most vibrant life. And I will tell you, this weekend I was with the group of my co-workers, they're my co-business partners, I'm going to call them that. This one woman said she was 69 years old, and I'm like, there's no way you're 69. She looks fabulous. Her energy is insane. And then I sat down with some other people, and she said she was 74, and I'm like, holy cow, 70s never look so good. And that's what this is about. This is about the journey of life, the sustainability, the vibrancy, living until your time card is up, which I'm not going to go into that, but living life vibrantly. And as many of you know, and I have handicaps, the residual from the disease process I've been through the last 27 years. I don't know that I'll ever get my vision back. I don't know that I'll ever lift my arm above my head again. I don't know that I'll ever walk with a normal gait again, or be able to run, or be able to skip. But I don't care, because I can adapt. When you feel good inside, you can adapt to challenges that come in your path. You can adapt. But I tell you, on the days when you feel crappy and you have no hope, you're like, I'm out. This is just not. You go down that rabbit hole, but keep hope, because God made our bodies to heal and repair. And I'm telling you, in 2024, the possibilities of what we know in science and the quality companies that are out there supporting us and our bodies to be able to be the best they can be, that's what it's all about. So be well, get well, stay well.